So we have a crisis in our country with the cost of prescription drugs. And since the time I was mayor of Newark, New Jersey, some of the more painful conversations that I've had to sit with folks who have to make this difficult decision, whether to forego prescribed drugs or to try to find some way to pay them, but then fall behind in rental payments or mortgage payments or car payments. This kind of stress, this kind of in my opinion, inhumane reality in our country where people are making their decisions, their families' decisions, is unacceptable in a nation this great. We have to bring down the prices of prescription drugs in our country. And I am very grateful in the work that has been happening over the last weeks between my team, Senator Casey's team, Senator Sanders' team, and putting together a bill that is focusing on one of the critical elements of an overall strategy, of a larger strategy to bring down prescription drugs. This is a strong bill. And the safety provisions that I brought to the table, that Senator Sanders, Senator Casey worked on and brought to the table, these are critical elements in making prescription drug importations work and work well. This bill will make sure that not only individuals in our country, but also wholesalers and pharmacies can have access to Canadian drugs that are cheaper, as well as potentially other OECD countries that meet the standards that we have set in this legislation. Let me be clear. We have a lot of work to do to address this crisis. This bill is an important part, but there's a lot more work that we have to do together to address this growing crisis. I want to finally say about our president, who has said a lot of talk about healthcare and has recently confessed how complicated, quote unquote, he thinks it is. He has made promises to the American people about prescription drug prices. He has made promises to the American people. And now it's time for him to put up or shut up. This bill is one of the things that is going to provide that can provide Americans cheaper access to drugs. It is time for him to join with us, or in my opinion, to confess his lies to the American people. Thank you.
Amen. Thank you.